Today I'll show you how to retrofit the full electrical systems of a golf cart. Search for UltraDrive Cloud on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and download it. These are the parts and tools we need for the retrofit. Before installation, make safety preparations to avoid accidents. Shift into P gear. Switch to neutral. And turn off the key. Now open the seat of the golf cart. Switch to tow mode. And cut off the main battery power. Thread the negative wire from under the seat to the area near the rear axle. Fix one end of the negative B wire harness to the negative terminal of the battery. Jack up the vehicle with a lift or chock the wheels securely. Alright, let's move on to removing the original motor and controller. This is how it looks after removal. Make sure all original parts are removed completely. Leave the wiring harness as shown in the picture. Now install the motor. Align the motor with the mounting position. Make sure it's fully secured. All bolts need to be fully tightened. Connect the positive wire to the positive terminal of the relay. Remember to wrap the exposed wiring harness with insulating tape to prevent short circuits. Now take out the adapter cable for the connecting vehicle. There are a total of 3 interfaces. Align the vehicle interface. The signal connector interface has a polka yoke design. Tie up the wires properly. Connect these 3 plugs to the motor. Then reinstall the original vehicle baffle, and then thread the wiring harness back through the hole in the baffle. Connect the controller wiring harness. When you hear a click, it means the connection is in place. Check the positive and negative terminals clearly and carefully. Fix the positive and negative well to the battery terminals. The motor installation is complete. Check the motor is seated properly, and the wiring harness fixed well. Lower the vehicle, but not all the way to the ground for subsequent tests. This is what the motor looks like after installation. Now we're conducting an installation test. First open the seat and reconnect the battery pack. Switch to the run mode. Close the seat. Turn the key to the on position. Now start the test. Put the vehicle in neutral after the test is completed. Boost your driving experience with the throttle relearn through the app. Switch the throttle calibration over to open mode. Press the throttle fully down, and repeat this 3 times. When the throttle calibration flag shows completed, the throttle relearn is done. Switch to the forward gear after completion. Gently press the throttle. Check if the drive wheels spin. If the wheels spin normally, congratulations, the test's a success. If you've got any questions, just reach out to us by email.